If you can plan your concerts for the year, you can also plan for your concert fund. Kung mahilig ka sa concerts, alam mo kung gaano ka-exciting mag-abang sa lineup, ticket release, seat plan, and pre-sale. Pero alam mo rin kung gaano ka-stressful kapag biglang may see you on blank tour ng favorite artist mo. Tapos hindi mo pa napaghandaan financially. Truth is, concerts are not just experiences. They are goals. At gaya ng ibang goals sa buhay, mas masarap siya kapag prepared ka. Hindi utang, hindi biglaan, at hindi from bahala na savings. Dito pumapasok ang Annual Guaranteed Cash Benefit or AGCB plan. Isang way to create your own concert fund na hindi mo kailangan pagdaanan ng stress ng last-minute budgeting. Imagine mo to, every year may guaranteed na dumadating na cash sa account mo. Walang kahati, walang kapalit, walang conditions. That becomes your concert freedom money. Isang steady, guaranteed source para mapanood mo ang mga artist na mahal mo nang hindi mo sinisira ang pera mo. Habang ginagawa mo to, lumalaki pa yung long-term value ng policy mo. Meaning, while you're enjoying life today, you're also building financial stability for your future. Paano nga ba? Number 1, so you don't panic every time a ticket sale drops. Kapag may artist na biglang nag-announce ng concert, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng budget. May EGCB yearly payout ka na dedicated para dito. Kaya pre-sale pa lang, ready ka na. Number 2, so you don't need to touch your savings or emergency fund. Hindi lahat ng concerts dapat pinapasok ang ipon na pang rent or fund for adulting emergencies. Your annual cash benefit becomes your guilt-free concert fund. Money for joy, not survival. Number 3, so you can attend without financial stress. Mas masarap manood ng concert kapag alam mong hindi mo kailangan magtipid after. AGCB gives you a stress-free experience kasi may guaranteed money na nakalaan para sa hobbies mo. Number 4, so you can enjoy your youth and build your future. Hindi mo kailangan piliin kung concert muna or future muna. Sa AGCB, pwedeng pareho. Yearly benefit equals pang-enjoy. Growing policy value equals pang-future. Balance, not sacrifice. Number 5, so your concert trips can level up. Mapa-VIP man, mapa-travel, or mapa-merch. Kapag alam mo may guaranteed pera kang dumadating yearly, mas kaya mo mag-upgrade. VIP seats, out-of-town OPM Festival, Bangkok, Singapore K-pop tour, mas achievable dahil may built-in annual budget ka talaga. Number 6, so you can celebrate life without breaking your bank account. Concerts are memories, moments na babalikan mo, pero dapat hindi sila maging dahilan ng financial regrets. AGCB helps you enjoy your passion safely and sustainably. Year after year. Here's the final lesson. Your favorite artists prepare for their tours. It's time you prepare for your concert life too. Because the best experience in life are those you can enjoy freely. Walang guilt, walang stress, walang utang. Just pure joy, music, and memories. If you want to know this plan, libre lang magtanong.